Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh and let's take a look at the top 9 news from the world of technology. First up, Indian government frames draft rules for social media and OTT platforms. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has announced the draft IT rules 2021 for social media and OTT platforms. Now, one of the highlights is that the government wants the social media companies to reveal the originator of a message and also appoint a grievance redressal officer, and cases should also be registered in 24 hours and disposed of in 15 days. Xiaomi launches Redmi K40, Redmi K40 Pro and Redmi K40 Pro Plus. Now, Xiaomi has launched 3 new smartphones in its K series, the Redmi K40, Redmi K40 Pro and Redmi K40 Pro Plus. Now, the Chinese company has launched the 3 smartphones along its latest Redmi Book Pro models, and for the base variants, Redmi K40 has been priced at Rs 22,500, K40 Pro has been priced at Rs 31,500 and the K40 Pro Plus has been priced at Rs 41,600. Realme teases launch of its 8 series. Realme CEO Madhav Seth took to Twitter to tease the launch of the Realme 8 series, the successor to Realme 7 series, which was launched in September. As per the tweet, the smartphone could feature a 108 megapixel camera. Over 100 billion messages sent on WhatsApp each month. On behalf of the 12th anniversary of WhatsApp, the company has said that over 2 billion users send over 100 billion messages on its platforms each month. The company also revealed that it connected over 1 billion calls each day. Now, the instant messaging platform was launched in 2009 and boasts of 53 crore users in India. The CDMA, which is the Commissioner and Director of Municipal Administration of Telangana, has launched a WhatsApp channel to ease the process of tax payment for citizens across the region. Now, citizens can send a hi to CDMA Telangana's official WhatsApp account on the given number and also access their services and pay their taxes on WhatsApp. Indian Newspaper Society wants publisher share of ad revenue to be 85%. Now, the discussion around sharing of revenue, ad revenue, has heated up following the landmark decision by the Australian government, and now the Indian Newspaper Society has written to Google and demanded that it wants publisher share of ad revenue to be 85%. Social media giant Facebook has not just ended the week-long blackout of news pages on its platform in Australia, the company has also signed deals with Schwartz Media, Solstice Media and Private Media. Now, the company, however, did not disclose the financial details of the agreements, which will become effective within 60 days if a full deal is signed. Now, according to documents filed on Thursday in an US district court, TikTok's parent company ByteDance has agreed to pay users $92 million over privacy settlement. The company boasts of over 100 million users in the US, and the lawsuits filed against the company claim that it infiltrates its users' devices and extracts a broad range of private data, including biometric data. Twitter to charge users monthly fee for super follows feature. Now, Twitter has announced a pair of upcoming features: the ability for users to charge their followers for access to additional content, and also the ability to create and join groups based around specific interests. Now, the payment feature called Super Follow will allow Twitter users to charge followers and give them more access for extra amount. So these were the top 9 news from the world of technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thanks a lot for watching.